Hi, my name is Anthea Kasungeni, but I would like to have a stage name of Anthea Rodan. I'm here to sing in Gemstone, and I got the inspiration from Beyonce. Like most little girls growing up, I watched Beyonce, and I would like to go to Hollywood because I have a potential talent that I think, if given the chance, I may show to the world and maybe get somewhere because of it. And I would like your support, so please vote for me. Thank you. Today I'm gonna sing Beyonce's song Broken Hearted Girl. Please stay tuned and enjoy. Everything I thought you never were, nothing like I thought you could have been, and still you live inside of me. So tell me, how is that? You're the only one I wish I could forget, the only one I love to not forgive. And though you break my heart, you're the only one to know there are times when I hate you, 'cause I can't erase the times that you hurt me and put tears on my face. Even now I not hate you, it pains me to say that no, I'll be there at the end of the day. I don't wanna be without you, babe. I don't want a broken heart. Don't wanna take a breath without you, babe. I don't wanna play that part. I know that I love you, but let me just say I don't wanna love you in no kind of way. Oh no, I don't want a broken heart, and I don't wanna play the broken hearted girl. No, no broken hearted girl. I'm no broken hearted girl.